Hello children, I welcome all of you in today's EVS session. Children, we are studying lesson number 4, direction and maps. In previous session we have seen directions. There are 4 directions, namely east, west, north and south. If we are facing towards east, that is the direction where sun rises, then we can see in front east, behind west, to the right south and to the left north. This was all about direction, that is previous session. In today's session we are going to see district, state and country. India is my country. We have been reading this sentence in the pledge ever since standard 1. You must have read the words state, nation and world. In this textbook too, you will find the words earth, world, country, state, district, taluka and village in many places. Come, let us get to know district, state, country, the earth, and world. We live in a house. Our houses are built on land. This land is spread very far and wide. A vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Like continents, salt water too occupies the surface of the earth. This part is called ocean. The earth is also called the world. There are many countries on the land on the earth. The countries are made up of several states. We live in state of Maharashtra. Our country, India, is made up of many such states. Map of your district, Maharashtra state, India and the world have been given in this lesson. Children, do you know? Symbols, pictures, signs, and different shades of colors are used to present the information in a map. A list of these symbols, etc., is given along the index map. This list is called index. This is index. The index helps us to understand the map. Several villages, settlements, and cities like our own together form a taluka. A district is composed of several talukas. A map of our district is given below. This is the map of Pune district taluka. The map shows the talukas and their headquarters. An index is also given. It will help us understand the map. Children, always remember, we made use of the rising sun to determine directions. Other components of nature can also be of help to us. Here you can see the direction. Now children, here is map in front of you. Now it's map of Pune district talukas. Now here you can see a map of our Maharashtra state is given here. The different districts are shown in it. The map also shows that Mumbai is the capital of our state and Nagpur is second capital here. Now here, can you find where is your district? Ahmednagar. Here is our district. You can also see here index, directions and the name of this map. This is Maharashtra state map. So we can see here index, directions and there are many different districts in Maharashtra state and our district is here like a flying bird. Now here is the map of our country, India. You can find different states in India. There are many states in India and capital of India is New Delhi. Here you can see capital of India, New Delhi. Here they have mentioned national capital New Delhi and symbol for national capital. You can see similar symbol here. So the capital of India is New Delhi. Now children, can you find your state? What is the name of our state? Yes, it is Maharashtra and you can find Maharashtra here. and this is the map of world. Land continents is shown in white and water oceans is shown in blue. These are oceans and these are land. This special map has been created so that all the land and water on the earth can be seen at a glance. Now children, in this world map, can you find our country? Like in previous maps, we have seen district, state. Now can you find our country? Yes, it is here, India. We live in India and we can find our country here. So children, in this chapter we have studied four main directions. They are east, west, north and south. The use of directions used in map. An introduction to our district, state, country using maps. So children, you also find our district in Maharashtra state, our state in India and our country in the world. And take care. Thank you.